Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to play Spike in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly you need to click on the character here, click on the brawler, and then we will look for Spike. So you need to search for it, and as you can see it's in the top. So just simply click on it, and you need to have enough gems to buy it. So if you don't have gems, you can just go to shop and then buy it. I think Spike has very less gems, so you can just go ahead and buy it and then just click on select. Once you click on select, you can choose the game mode here. So I will just leave it as it is, solo showdown. So now let's click on play. And as you can see, it has a very long firing range. So that's how you can play Spike in Brawl Stars. So keep in mind that it's a very slow brawler. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.